Welcome to Inside E-Learning course. I'm Fiaz Abbas. In this video, we are going to talk about sharing and sending online. First of all, I'd like you to download Word practice files and open any practice files like American Curl. Do you have any idea how to share your document online? If you have not, then follow me. The easiest way is click on the upper right corner button, which is a share button. As you click on it, a sidebar menu on the right side would ask you to save it to cloud first. Hit it, and here I would suggest you to save it in OneDrive and make sure you are signed in Microsoft Word with your login ID and password. If you don't, then this option won't appear before you, or may appear before you but won't work. Now I'm going to click on it. I'm going to save it. Now on the right side, you can see a sidebar menu has appeared. You can invite your friends and people to send them off your document. But there is another way. As your document has been saved in the cloud, you can access it at any time, anywhere in the world. I'm going to show you. As you open your OneDrive, you can see your document has been saved. You can just right click on your document and you can choose share option from here. When you click on it, here you can type your email you want to share with, or can just copy the link to send anyone whom you want. There you go. When I copy the link, a pop-up window would appear before me. I can just click on copy and then paste it wherever I want. There you go. Now I'd like you to come back to your course content file and click on sharing button as you have learned about it. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about some basic help tips